Hey olives and berries! Let's make our own slime today using the slime kit here. Now you will need a measuring cylinder, clear glue. I'm placing a cup here and filling the measuring cylinder with 25 ml of clear glue. Pouring it here in this cup. And now I'm taking the color of my choice, that's blue, and put a few drops of it and mix it thoroughly using a spatula. Now I'll add 25 drops of slime activator in this mixture. And mix it again using the spatula thoroughly until the cup gets dry. Here we go! Hoo-hoo! It's getting dry. Yes, the slime is stretchy. Wow! Wow! Our blue slime is now ready. Let's squeeze, crush, squash, press, pinch, clutch, squeeze it, stretch it, flatten it. Wow! Let's continue playing with this blue slime. Now, let me make another slime. Here I go! 25 ml of clear glue, few drops of yellow color, give it a mix, add 25 drops of slime activator, and keep mixing it. Hoo-hoo! Here's our yellow slime ready. Let me play around. Now, let's see what I make with these slimes.
A few moments later.
Hey olives and berries, for more such interesting videos, please like and subscribe.